Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today we're taking a look at this 2 horsepower, 13-gallon compressor from Vevor, and I'll show you why it's the perfect compressor for a garage. So Old Blue finally died. And I'm so glad that it did because it was so noisy. And my main reason for going with this model was that it's rated at 66 decibels. It's rated at 4.6 standard cubic feet per minute at 90 PSI, and it has 125 max PSI. It's an oilless compressor, so it's maintenance free, and I like that it stands upright, so it has a smaller footprint in the garage. It's a good medium size between a pancake compressor and something professional that you'd see at a body shop. And this compressor is perfect for tasks around the garage, such as refilling tires, using air tools, and while it's not quite enough to spray paint an entire car, it will be good enough to spray, say, an occasional repair panel. And the main thing I'll be using this for is the laser cleaning machines, because I want to hear the sweet sound of those lasers blasting off that rust. There is some assembly acquired out of the box, but it's simple and can be done with basic tools. Now I drag my oil compressor back in here for a sound level comparison test. I'm doing this in a voiceover, so I won't affect the decibel meter reading. But you can see a quiet garage is about 40 decibels. Now, watch when I turn on the oil compressor. They say to step back about 6 feet for an accurate reading. And you can see that the decibel meter is hovering right around 90 decibels. 90 is the upper threshold of a lively street, and it even peaked at 92, which is the same level as a noisy intersection. Back to 40 decibels, which is the upper threshold of a quiet whisper. And with the Vevor compressor running, I stepped back 6 feet for a decibel reading of 73, which is about as loud as a chat with friends. Although I don't have one set up yet for this compressor, a moisture trap is recommended, and Vevor sells those as well. So let's try out an air tool here, something that's pretty demanding, like this needle scaler.
So I switched, I'm on an iPhone now, so you can hear an actual microphone that's going to pick up all the ambient noise. And let's go in the house for a minute.
It's right on the other side of this wall, and I can barely hear it. All right, the tank is full, and now I just need to find some rust. Oh yeah, I got plenty of that. I might not finish that today. When it does come time to paint the 4Runner over there, I do have this beast down here, but it's old and parts are long discontinued, so I try and preserve it for the big jobs. Plus, it uses the only 220 volt outlet I have here in my garage, whereas the Vevor unit, it uses 110, so I can roll it around anywhere and use it. So I've been using this compressor for about a month and a half now, and I'm really impressed with its size, how much you get in such a small package, and how quiet it is. I'll put a link to this down in the description, as well as a 5% discount code to save you some extra money. Thanks for watching.